students, I hope you all are fine at your home. In today's video we are going to discuss about some very small cell organelles of a cell. Okay, so in this sequence first is the endoplasmic reticulum. We have discussed a little about in the previous lectures. Okay, and in class 9th it is not in so detail, so I have to maintain the standard of your class also. If I tell everything in very detail, this will become very hard to learn to you all. Okay, so first endoplasmic reticulum. It is a single membranous structure. You can see this is the nucleus. This is the nucleus. Okay students, and this nuclear membrane having ER, endoplasmic reticulum. Okay students, and ER is characterized into two types, rough ER and smooth ER. Rough means ribosomes are present on ER, on the membrane of ER. Okay, so this is called rough. Okay, and there is no presence of the ribosome on the membrane of the ER, then it is called smooth. Function of this protein synthesis, and function of this is the lipid synthesis. Okay, some of you must not be knowing about what is the lipid. Actually, lipid is also a combination of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, in which number of oxygen is fixed. If it is in semi-solid condition, it is called fat. When if it is in the liquid form, it is called oil. Okay, and the next cell organelle is lysosome. It is a single membrane bound cell organelles. Okay, it contains hydrolytic enzyme which digests the left food particles of a cell. It's very surprising to you all. Okay, so let me tell you all that suppose this is a cell. Okay, if glucose molecule, suppose this is capillary, okay, of animal cell. Okay, if the glucose molecule comes into that is the cell, and this is the nucleus. If this is the glucose molecule, fructose molecule, galactose molecules, if they are digested, okay, digested by the process glycolysis. Okay, if some of them are left, then if they are remain here in this cytoplasm, then they are going to harm the cell, so that has to be removed. Okay, that has to be digested by the lysosome because it contains hydrolytic enzyme. Okay students, okay, so I think you all have got it. When there is no left food particles in a cell, then it digests itself, so it is called suicidal bag of a cell. Means hydrolytic enzyme and all these things are going to destroy the cell. Okay students, next is the vacuole. Vacuole is absent in the animal cell. If present, then very less in number and smaller in size. Suppose this is nucleus and this is the vacuole. The membrane of vacuole is tonoplast, and this is the vacuole, and it contains some fluid. Okay, that fluid, yeah, we can say that water substance is called cell sap. Okay, that water substance is called cell sap. So first point, I have made this all points from your NCERT book. Okay students, it is also a single membrane bound cell organelles. Of course, we have discussed in the previous lectures. It contains some organic acids, enzyme and H2O, etc. Okay, that's very important and very easy. It is absent in animal cell. If present, very small and less in number, very small in size, that means. Okay, and next is the in amoeba, yeah, amoeba, the contractile vacuole, yes, vacuole is mainly two types. First is the contractile vacuole and second is the food vacuole. So the contractile vacuole is important for excretion, especially present into the amoeba, and second and next is the in protist, the food vacuole are formed by engulfing the food particles in protist. In chapter 3 we will be studying discussing about the protist. Actually there are 5 kingdoms in the of the plant of the biological world. Okay, all the living organisms are categorized into 5 big groups, and protist, or we can say protista, is the one of the groups. Okay, other animals belong to that protista kingdom. Protista are known as protist. So amoeba, paramecium, plasmodium, euglena are the member of the protista and kingdom. Okay students, so next is the Golgi body. Okay, that is also called traffic police of the cell, because it checks all the synthesized food and packaged that also. Okay, and then only they allow to move out to the respective places. So checking, they do the work of checking, so they are known as traffic police of the cell. And also one more name, that also called export house of the cell, or export house, so called export house of a cell, means they export everything. Okay, and they help in packaging also. So this also they are having given other name, that is the packaging house of the cell. So let us discuss some history of this. First discovered by Camillo Golgi in 1898. Okay, and he was one of the scientists who got Nobel Prize. Okay students, it helps in packaging and dispatched packaging. See, this is the point: packaging and dispatch to various targets inside and outside the cell. I have already discussed. The function includes storage, modification and packaging. Okay students, so packaging are being repeated. Okay, so just storage and modification. Actually packaging come in sequence, so I have added here also. And the last one is called, it also involved the formation of lysosome. This is the point from your NCERT 9th science book. It also involved the formation of lysosomes. So this is the structure of Golgi body. This is the cis phase, this is the trans phase. Okay students, cis phase and trans phase. So that's all for some small cell organelles. And in the next video we will be discussing about next thing, that is the types of solution, and what is the hypertonic solution, hypotonic and isotonic, what is exosmosis, what is endosmosis. Okay students, so that's all in this video, and we will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.